and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan. Thank you so much for joining me. And for those wonderful viewers who are Hindu, who are Sikh, and who are not even following any type of religion, but really welcome the festival of lights, festival called Diwali, I would like to offer my blessings and my good wishes and good wishes to all of my viewers who are celebrating the festival of Diwali. May your home always be filled with plenty of light, bliss, happiness, prosperity, and love with your family members. I truly wish you all the best, and I hope you are planning a great Diwali festival, and I hope to see some of you guys at some of the events that have been planned throughout the city. Now, we're going to be talking about the real estate market and what is happening. And I know a lot of you are confused when you're seeing the news in terms of percentages and so far. What does it really mean? So I want to do my viewers a favor and really break down these percentages and educate you what it truly means, because I think there is a lot of myths and unfactual information flying out there in the World Wide Web and of course in the media, with a lack of not educating viewers. So I want to do my job, which is I want to educate you, because knowledge is power. And with knowledge, you're able to make educated decisions to change your life for the better. Now, national home sales, and this is based on the Canadian Real Estate Association, CREA, and you can get everything that I'm telling you on the World Wide Web with this source company, which is reputable. National home sales fell by 5.3% month over month. And what does that mean? National home sales. Now, this is not the price of your home. This is listings. So less than 5%, a little bit over 5.3% of what was sold the month before has dropped. So, but you know, if it's 100 homes that were sold in your community in July, 10% of that would be 10 homes less will be sold in August, which is 90. But in this sense, 5% was sold less. So 5 homes less was sold in month over month. So that's the national average. So basically they take all the provinces, all the cities together, and they average it out. So the actual monthly activity, it came down 29.3% in some areas, which is a big drop. So a lot of people just didn't want to sell anymore because the market wasn't aggressive. There was no bully offers, there was no overbidding and so forth. So a lot of people didn't think that they were able to, make that quick lottery, get the bang for their buck and move on to, other opportunities in terms of investments or moving out into rural communities. So about 30% of potential homelessers no longer decided that they wanted to sell their home. And also the home price average edged down 1.7%. So this is the home price. Now, some of you may argue, say, oh, that's not true. I bought a house and now it's $200,000 less, or I could have sold my house and now it's $300,000 less. Those are only for a handful of markets that were very super sensitive and super high, such as Brampton, Mississauga, and certain areas in Vancouver, etc. It's not a national average. So home prices are still pretty steady for a lot of Canadians, which is very good, which still shows that our market and our economy in real estate is still strong, is still vibrant, and is still in demand, which is very important. The national average sale price posted was 5% year over year, which means that we're still seeing increases in moderation in a lot of the real estate markets. And yes, your area may have gotten the brunt of a lot of market correction drops, but at the end of the day, your home is still worth a lot more than you originally bought it for, which is better than any stock investment, mutual fund, or anything of that nature. If you're ready to buy and sell, we do have an amazing real estate department, also along with our real estate law firm, which we're ready to help you. Pick up the phone and call, and let's make you some money.